Scottsdale Tower, exit 539, checking in with you on the visual for 21.
Exit 539, Scottsdale Tower, make left traffic runway 21 and continue. Traffic may hold in position. Exit 539, make right traffic runway 21 and continue. Exit 539, Scottsdale Tower, how do you hear?
Lester?
Exit 539, make left traffic runway 21.
Yeah, I called that out. I told you. Exit 539, we're going to make left traffic for 21.
Thanks, that's the first call I got from you. System 340, make right traffic runway 21. November 6, Mike, stay parking. 6, Mike, you can turn the next left, that'll be Bravo 10, contact grab point 6.
Point 6 10.
035 Zulu, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land. Request short approach.
035 Zulu, short approach approved.
Short approach approved. Runway 21, clear to land, 35 Zulu.
Exit 539, number 2, following a Cirrus, making a right base, short right base.
Exit 539, looking for the Cirrus.
Exit 730, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, exit 730. Have this up,
Runway 21, clear to land, cautionary turbulence, departing Challenger.
Runway 21.
System 1 for uniform, extend down, I'll call the base, traffic may hold in position.
Got the base, 1 for uniform.
Scottsdale Tower, 1017 Alpha, holding short of runway 21 on Alpha 15, attention departure to the north with Echo.
System 77 Lima Alpha, Scottsdale Tower, hold short runway 21.
Hold short runway 21, 7 Alpha.
Roger. Exit 730 in the right turn, contact Phoenix departure, good day.
Or departure, exit 730, we'll see you.